Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Feeling sluggish or like your digestion just isn't what it should be? It might be time to add some powerful players to your diet. High fiber foods. Fiber is like a magic broom for your gut, keeping things moving smoothly and helping you feel fuller for longer. But where do you find this magical ingredient? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're counting down the top 11 high fiber foods that are easy to add to your meals and snacks. Top 11 high fiber foods. 11. Raspberries. These tart and tasty berries are bursting with fiber with almost 8 grams per cup. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C for an extra immune system boost. 10. Black beans. Beans are a triple threat, high in fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Black beans, in particular, are champions, offering around 15 grams of fiber per cup. 9. Avocados. Not just for avocado toast, this creamy fruit packs a punch with about 10 grams of fiber per half. Plus, it's loaded with healthy fats that keep you satisfied. 8. Artichokes. This unique veggie might be surprising, but 1 cup of cooked artichoke hearts offers a whopping 6 grams of fiber. 7. Whole grain bread and crackers. Ditch the refined grains and opt for whole wheat options instead. They'll keep you feeling fuller for longer thanks to their fiber content. 6. Chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are nutritional titans. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide a whopping 10 grams of fiber. Plus, they're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. 5. Lentils. Another fiber powerhouse, lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein too. Enjoy them in soups, stews, or even salads. 4. Brussels sprouts. Don't let childhood memories fool you. Roasted Brussels sprouts are delicious and deliver around 4 grams of fiber per cup. 3. Broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is a well-rounded health star offering fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 1 cup of steamed broccoli provides about 2.5 grams of fiber. 2. Sweet potatoes, a delicious alternative to regular potatoes. Sweet potatoes boast around 4 grams of fiber per medium-sized spud. 1. Quinoa takes the first spot on our list. This ancient grain is not only gluten-free, but also loaded with fiber and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. Swap out your usual grains for quinoa in salads or use it as a base for delicious grain bowls. So there you have it. These top 11 high-fiber foods are a fantastic way to boost your gut health, feel fuller for longer, and keep your body running smoothly. Remember, incorporating a variety of these options throughout the day is key to reaping the benefits of fiber. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy eating tips. And let us know in the comments below. What are your favorite high-fiber foods? Voiceover. Before we wrap things up, we just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and food facts. Today we learned about the importance of fiber in our diet, and the top 11 foods to keep your gut happy and healthy. So don't forget to incorporate these high-fiber foods in your meals. And always remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. Stay tuned for more health tips and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.